axis. Okay, so an ordered pair tells you the location of a point. The center of the graph is called the origin, and that is right here at 0, 0. It is 0, 0. The first number in the ordered pair represents the x, and the second number in the ordered pair represents the y. So first we go left or right, and then we go up or down. So if we go back here and look, notice that my quadrants go counterclockwise, starting with quadrant 1. Okay, so some things you might want to know here is quadrant 1, this has a positive x and a positive y. Quadrant 2, and notice that they're Roman numerals, quadrant 2 has a negative x and a positive y. Quadrant 3 has a negative negative x. Let me just fix that. Hold on. Okay. Has a negative x and a negative y. And then quadrant 4 has a positive x and a negative y. Okay, so it says plot the following points on the coordinate plane and identify which quadrant the axis or the point belongs in. Okay, so 2, 4, we go over 2, and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my point is going to be right here. This is point A. We're going to label it. It's in quadrant 1. Five, negative 1. 5, negative 1 is over to the right 5. To the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 1. So you got to be careful here because it's right underneath that 5. So we're going to put it right here. This is point B, and this is in quadrant 4. Okay, negative 2, 1. So we count left 1, 2, and up 1. It's right here. And that's point C. That is in quadrant 2. 4, 3 is right 4, 2, 3, 4, and up 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I have to look again because the lines can all kind of blur together. This is point D, and this is again in quadrant 1. E, 0, 2. So we're not moving left or right, we're just moving up 2. This is point E. And this again, this is not in any quadrant. This is on the y-axis. So this is your y-axis. And that's your x-axis. So negative 5, 0. So we're going to go to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're not moving up or down. This is point F. And this is on the x-axis. All right. I want you... okay, so it says here, list the ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. So if we look at A, my x, I'm going to count 1, 2, and we're going up 7. So my x is 2, my y is 7. So we write it like this. I'm going to make it bigger so I can actually write good. And we said this is 2, that's my x, 7 is my y. It's in parentheses with a comma between it. All right, b, if we look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. That's my x, -4, and it's up 6. So my ordered pair is -4, that's my x, and 6 is my y. All right, you try the rest and see what you can do. So D is -3, -3. E is 0, +2. And F is 7, -5. Okay, how did you do?